turkey sandwich.
This is the baggy inside out 2 song.
Do not make a sound.
Who are you talking to?
This guy right here.
Swallow you in one gulp. You look yummy.
Hello, Steve. I am J.A.K. Jake.
It's funny because it's a thief. Well, whatever happened to it's funny because it's actually funny.
Is that the frickin' horse from Horsing Around?
That's not Earth, right?
That's completely flat. That's 100% flat,
That's
dude.
what I mean.
I've got to get you out of here before you touch yourself.
You're the great turkey.
Wait,
The Great Turkey.
in the past, then he won't ever be.
The Great Turkey.
Then you won't have to.
Go back in time.
And then he will have to.
Go back in time.
Minecraft Steve, take me by the block, lead me to the biome.